So, linear equations in two variables are chapter number 3 of NCERT textbook class 10th. So, first let us take the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Can be written as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where x and y are the two variables and a, b and c are the constants. And here a and b both should not be equal to 0. Then only these two variables are valid. And ABC can be any integers or real numbers. Now, when we have a pair of equations, it can be written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are pair of equations, and now I will see how to solve such equations graphically. So I am taking up one question. In this question, total 10 students are taking part in a mathematics quiz, and number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. We have to represent this equation or this situation algebraically, and then we have to solve it graphically. So let's see how we are going to do it. It is given that total number of students is 10. So first let's take the number of girls to be x and number of boys by. Then the first equation that we can form is x plus y equal to 10, and second equation is number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, so x is equal to y plus 4. So I'll take y to this side to put it in the standard form, so the equation will become x minus y equal to 4. So these are the two equations, x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 4. Now let me take the first equation and find corresponding values of x and y. We will find three pairs of values. We should always find minimum 3 and maximum we can find more also, but minimum 3 values we must find for the accuracy of the graph. So now here I will substitute y to be 0, then I will get x is 10. So if y is 0, then x is 10. Similarly, if I put x 0, then y comes out to be 10. If I take y to be 5, then x is also 5. So these are the three values we have got. Now let's see how the graph is being plotted for the situation. So this is the graph. First we will make the coordinate system the x-axis and the y-axis. This is positive side of x, this is negative side of x, positive side of y and negative side of y. Then I have taken points up to 11 here and up to 11 here also, because we can see that we will need that many points here. So we can have an idea how many points we need to take from this table. After that I have marked the first point is 10, 0. So this point is 10, 0. X is 10, y is 0. Second point is 0, 10. This point comes on the y-axis. This is 0, 10. Third point is 5, 5. And here it is the fifth point on the x-axis and fifth point on the y-axis. So this comes out to be this. Now I have joined these 3 points, this, and I have drawn a straight line. Then I have to write the equation which corresponds to this line. So the graph for the first equation is being plotted. Now we will plot for the second equation. Now the second equation is x minus y equal to 4. Let's see what values we get for this. If I put y to be 0, x comes out to be 4. If I put x to be 0, then y is minus 4. Okay. Similarly, if I put y to be 1, then x will be equal to 5. The third point will be 5, 1. Now we are going to plot these 3 points on our graph. First point is 4, 0. So x is 4, y is 0. This point is this one. Second point is 0, minus 4. So x is 0 but y is minus 4. This will be this point. Third point is 5, 1. So that will be this point. So we have got 3 points here. We will join them for plotting the second equation. So I have arranged the ruler with these 3 points, and then I will just draw one line and join it. Thus we see that this is the second line that we have got. We will denote all 3 points that we have taken, and we will write the equation for this. X minus y equal to 4. We must write the equation corresponding to the line we have plotted, like I have done here and I have done here also, at any appropriate place. And we have to denote all the points in x, y form. Now we see that these two lines are intersecting at this point. So this point of intersection of these two lines is called the solution of the equation. Let us see the coordinates of this point. The coordinates of this point is 7, 3. So 7, 3 is the solution for the system of equations. That means 7, 3 is the solution. That means comparing it to the xy form, we get x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. So that means the number of girls is 7 and number of boys is 3. And we can check that the given conditions are satisfied also. 7 plus 3 is 10 and 7 minus 3 is 4. The 7, 3 is the solution of the given system of equations. Thank you.